Welcome to How to Integrate Business Central with Outlook, brought to you by Qixas Group. In Microsoft Outlook, you can manage business interactions with your customers and vendors. You can view financial information about customers and vendors, as well as create and send financial documents, such as quotes and invoices. To be able to integrate Business Central with Outlook, your organization should have a Microsoft 365 subscription and users should be assigned a license. Step 1. Log in to Business Central. In the upper right corner, click the Settings button, then choose the Assisted Setup link. Step 2. On the Assisted Setup page, select Set up your business inbox in Outlook. Step 3. The Office Add-in Setup page will pop up. Select Next. Step 4. Select the option you would like to set up for. Step 5. Turn on the Send Sample Email message to receive a welcome email with an overview of how to use the add-in and click Next. Step 6. Select Finish to enable Office add-ins in your Outlook. Step 7. Once the setup is completed, you will receive a welcome email from Dynamics 365 Business Central Admin. Select the three dots in the top right corner of the email, choose Business Central and Contact Insights. Step 8. A Sign In Now window will pop up. When you select Sign In Now, a browser window opens and will ask you to sign into Business Central. Step 9. Select Allow. Now we will look at how to use Business Central as your business inbox in Outlook. Step 1. In the add-in, you can create any of the highlighted documents by clicking on New and select the document without leaving Outlook. Step 2. If a customer emails you asking for a quote on some items, the add-in has the ability to open the customer card directly in Outlook. You start by opening the email message, go to the three dots, select Business Central and Contact Insights. Step 3. For example, to create a sales order for items listed in the customer email, on the Contact Insights page, click New and Sales Order. Step 4. A Suggested Line Items box opens up based on the customer's request. Select the items you want to add to the sales order and click the checkmark. Step 5. Review the customer information in the General tab and items and quantities in the Line tab. Step 6. To release sales order and post, go to the three dots, Release and Post. Step 7. Select Yes to view the posted sales invoice. Step 8. To send the invoice to the customer, select the three dots on the Print Send section and select your preferred sending format. Step 9. Review the email and attachment before sending to customer. Thanks for viewing this video. Please visit us at our website for more great content or to ask any questions you may have.